At some point, almost everyone hears Bitcoin wastes energy, but almost nobody asks the deeper question, why does Bitcoin use energy at all? Bitcoin doesn't use energy by accident, it uses energy on purpose. Bitcoin uses energy because energy is how it converts the physical world into digital security. That energy is the mechanism that makes Bitcoin secure, hard to tamper with, resistant to censorship, and independent of companies and governments. Think of energy as costly truth. It's the receipt that real effort happened. Without cost, digital systems are easy to fake. Mining isn't mainly about creating coins. It's about protecting the ledger and enforcing the rules. Miners compete to solve a cryptographic puzzle. Solving it requires computation. Computation requires electricity. The winner adds the next block. This secures the network, orders transactions, blocks fraud, and keeps Bitcoin's history consistent. Digital systems have a fundamental problem. They're cheap to copy and cheap to fake. Without a cost, one actor can overwhelm the system. Bitcoin ties digital actions to real-world cost. Energy becomes the brake that makes abuse expensive. Energy powers computation. Computation secures blocks, and attacks become economically irrational. Security comes from cost, not trust. Proof of work was chosen because it doesn't require identity, permission, or a coordinator. It's globally scalable and politically neutral. Every money system uses energy. Gold mining, cash printing, banking servers. Bitcoin isn't unique in using energy. It's unique in making the cost visible. So the real question isn't does it use energy, it's whether the energy is worth what it secures. Integrity, censorship resistance, and a neutral settlement layer. To attack Bitcoin at scale would require massive ongoing resources, and it would be visible. Proof of work makes attacks costly by design. Energy isn't a bug, it's the security model, and switching models would fundamentally change what Bitcoin is. In the real world, access can depend on permission. Bitcoin keeps working without asking who you are, because its security is paid for by energy, not authority. Beginners often hear energy and assume harm. The reality is more nuanced. Bitcoin doesn't choose energy sources, miners do. Security isn't free. Banks pay with trust and control. Bitcoin pays with energy and transparent rules. It doesn't waste energy, it spends energy to buy independence.